Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Easily. Here in this video we will learn about do, does, did, basics and the usage of this do, does, did, how to use them and where to use them. Before starting, if you are not yet subscribed to Learn Easily channel, do subscribe. Now let's begin. Do, does, did. Here do has two different forms. One is a main verb, do, did and done. But now we are talking about do, does, did. Has a helping verbs, where we are using this and how to use them, means the usage of this do, does, did. Let's begin. Here do. The do forms are we use it with the plural subjects in the present tense. In simple present tense, we are using do with the plural subjects. It means when we are using the subject as I, you, we, they and the nouns, the birds, the people, children, kids, animals, like this. In a subject, if it is plural, we are using do as a helping verb in the place of main verbs. Here next does. Does is also used in the present simple tense, or in a simple present tense does is used with the singular subject like this: he does, she does, it does, Raju does. Okay, here in simple present tense for plural we are using do, and for singular subjects we are using does. Then did. Did is used with both singular and plural subject in past tense like this: he did, she did, it did, Raju did. For nouns also, and I did, you did, we did, they did, the birds did. It means that do and does is used for present tense and did is used for past, for both singular and plural. Do is for plural subjects and does is for singular subjects. Now let's see the usage, how to use them and where to use. How to use do, does, did to make negative sentences. Here do, does and did as auxiliaries or helping verbs, we are using them to make negative sentences. Here, to make a negative sentence, first let us see the positive sentences. Here, I want a pen. You like me? They play a game. These are the positive sentences. Here, to make them negative, in English grammar, for negative sentence there is a rule. Always the negative not should be after the helping verb. But look at these sentences. I want a pen, you like me, they play a game. Here want, like, play, they are the main verbs. There is no helping verb or auxiliaries in the sentence. To make them negative, we must need an auxiliary or helping verb. So here for these three sentences, look at the subject I, you, they. As they are the plurals, we are using the do form here. The want, like, play. These three main verbs are in present form or base form. So we are using do here as a helping verb to make the sentence into negative. Here for first sentence, I do not want a pen or I don't want a pen. You do not like me or you don't like me. They do not play a game or they don't play a game. Okay, here the main verbs in a present simple, if the subject is in plural form, we are using do as a helping verb to make the positive sentence into negative. And let us see. He wants a pen. She likes me. Suma sings a song. Look at here. The subjects are in singular form. So the main verbs in plural means yes form, does form, wants, likes, sings. To make these sentences into negative, we need a helping verb. but here wants, likes, sings are the main verbs. So here there is no helping verb. So what we have to do here, in wants, likes and sings main verb there is a yes means does form. We have to use that does as a helping verb to make a negative form. See here, he wants a pen. Here he is a subject, it is in singular, so wants is in plural. That S means a does. So we have to use does here as a helping verb. Then to make a negative of these sentences, look at here. He doesn't want a pen. She doesn't like me. Suma doesn't sing a song. When we use does, the yes in the main verb should be used as it does, so the wants and likes and sings become a singular. Want, like, sing. Okay, this is for does. Now look at for the past tense. They asked a question. She prepared lunch. I made a mistake. Here these sentences are in past tense. So to make these sentences into negative, helping verb and not is needed. Here in these sentences, asked, prepared, made or main verbs. There is no helping verbs or auxiliaries here in the sentences. So they are the past tense. We are using did as a helping verb here. See, look at these sentences. They didn't ask a question. She didn't prepare lunch. I didn't make a mistake. Here did we are taking from the main verb in past tense. So we take did from the main verb and we convert that main verb into present form. Did is a past form here, ask is a present form. See, this is the usage of this do, does and did to make positive sentences into negative. And the next usage, to frame questions. Here do, does and did helps us to frame a questions. Especially questions are in two forms. One is confirmation questions, means yes or no type questions, and information questions, means WH questions. Now let us see how these do, does, did helps to make frame a questions. Here I like mango. Do I like a mango? Do I like mango? See, here do in that present tense helps us to make the yes or no type questions. Then for WH question, what do I like? What do I like? Okay, see here do helps us to make a helping verb question or confirmation question and even WH question. Here to make any question, helping verb must be needed. So in the sentence, if there is no helping verb, we have to take this do or does and did to make the question or to frame the question. Let us see next one. She likes mango. Here to make helping verb question, we have to use does first in the sentence. So it becomes does she like mango? This is helping verb. Does she like mango? Yes, she does is the answer. To make a WH question, what does she like? What does she like? And next, they liked mango. They liked mango. It is a past tense. So did they like mango? Did they like mango? It is a yes or no type question. And to make it a WH question, what did they like? What did they like? Like this, do, does, did we are using to frame the questions like helping verb question, means confirmation question or yes or no type question, and even for WH question also. To learn more about this framing questions, I have a video in my channel. Watch that video and learn well. I kept that link even in this description of the video. And how to use do, does, did is for the questions. And lastly, we are using do, does, did to frame question tags. Here to frame question tags also we are using do, does, did. If there is no helping verb. Let us see some example for that. Here is I like mango. To make or to frame any question tags, we must need helping verb. Then if the sentence is in positive, we are making negative question tag. If the sentence is in negative, we make the positive question tag. And the pronoun. So look at this sentence. I like mango. Here like is a main verb. There is no helping verb. But to frame question tag, we need helping verb. So like is a present simple tense. So we are using do here as a helping verb to make or to frame question tag. Let's see. Do is a helping verb. By using do, we are making don't I. Do is a helping verb and this sentence is positive, so not we are using to make a negative question tag, and I is a pronoun. And see the next. She likes mango. Here the helping verb is does. Yes form in the likes main verb we are using as a does helping verb, and the sentence is positive, we are using the negative question tag doesn't, and she is a pronoun. And next, they like mango. Here it is a past tense, we are using this did as a helping verb, and to make or to frame question tag we are using didn't they. Did is a helping verb, sentence is positive, we are using not to make a negative question tag, and they is as a pronoun. See, these are the main three uses of these do, does and did. I hope you will enjoy this video and you find it is useful. Do share this video to your friends also. And to learn more about this do, does, did and positive to negative, framing questions and question tags, there are videos in my YouTube channel. Watch them and learn well. Thank you for watching.